testing the LAN cables. This is the tester. One point of the LAN cable we will plug into this, and another point we will plug into the tester. Now we have to turn on this switch. Okay, the all ports are working now, means the cable is good. Now we will plug into the PC and we will check the LAN cable connection and file transfer sharing process. This is our secondary PC. This is our first PC. Okay, now the process is over of connecting. Now it's loading. Now we have to share the file from these PCs to this PC. Okay, now we will open this PC. We have to go to the network and there you have to click the properties. After that, choose change adapter and sharing networks. Here you have to turn on all the features here. Okay. Yes. Now you have to open the file which you want to share with the another computer. Okay. Now software I want to share with this PC to this PC. We also enable in this PC also network discovery and password protected sharing, etc., etc. Same process as you did in the first PC, that you have to do in this PC. There you have to select the not 128-bit sharing, just file transfer and printer sharing. Enable file sharing for devices that use 40 to 56-bit encryption. Okay, yes. We will come to our first PC. Here click on the software, properties, here sharing, and here click on the share button. Here you have to add the everyone feature. Add. Here you have to put read and write, means the user on the other computer can copy, delete and write on that. They also delete, share. Now this is shared. Okay, it will come like this. This is the path. Okay. Then you have to check that it is shared or not again. You have to go to the network. It's loading. Okay. From our first PC to we are checking the second PC. Here it is visible, C5 PC. This is our second PC. We'll double click on that. Here we shared only one folder, no? That is softwares. It came like this. Here. Okay. Double click on that and you will get the all files here. These all files are visible here. Okay. This is the main copy. This is the secondary. If you want this in your system, if you want this in your local system, then copy any one of the file click copy, and in your D drive, yeah, you can paste it here. It's copied. If you give the read and write permission, then only it will copy. If you only give the read permission, then you can only see it. Okay, just be confirmed with that. Now the process is over.